Hi, welcome to Outrageous English. Still learning English? Still stumbling across the odd word or two that confuses and confounds? Don't worry, that's why I'm here. Each video, I focus on one expression or word and discuss the true meaning, as well as the way it is applied in day-to-day life. And don't forget, the full transcript for each video can be found in the description below on YouTube. And don't forget also, coming soon, these videos will be available in podcast form. I'll let you know as soon as they are available. Give me a break, for Christ's sake. I'm working on it. So sit back, cocksuckers, and learn outrageous English from a native. Okay, today's word, bellend. B-E-L-L-E-N-D. Bellend. A funny word, this one, and one that I like a lot and use almost every day at least once. The etymology. The noun bellend originates from an anonymous writer circa 1593 who wrote the following in a piece entitled The Passionate Morris. But mark his folly and her cunning. He, building castles in the air and setting traps in the sun to catch the shadow of a coy queen, was pleased by her with wagging his bauble and ringing his bell, while she picked his pocket and cut his purse. Here we can see the writer referring to the male character's bell, in other words, his penis. Note also in the transcript below, for those watching on YouTube, that interestingly, the modern letter F is written, but it is pronounced as the modern letter S. This was true from around the 8th century AD all the way through to around 1820 in formal publications, though there are handwritten examples of this practice right up to the early part of the 20th century. Note too that this is a very British colloquialism and is rarely used by speakers from other English-speaking countries, but they all understand what it means through context. All right, let's go. Word types of bellend. A noun. That's it. Just a noun. So nice and easy today. Okay. Usage one. As a noun, a slang, slightly vulgar description for the end of the penis, known medically as the glans. Example one. I didn't wear any underpants today under my jeans, and now my bellend is really itchy. Example two. I had a one-night stand last week, and now I'm a bit worried because my bellend is inflamed. Note that a one-night stand is a sexual encounter, usually with a stranger, that happens on just one occasion. So the tip of the penis can be called the bellend, but it is vulgar, so don't say it in front of your nan. Usage two. As a noun, a stupid person, usually a man, but not exclusively. Example one, that guy just kicked a dog for no reason. What a bellend. Example two, I can't beat this level in Call of Duty no matter how hard I try. I'm such a bellend sometimes. So, an insult for a stupid person, it can be either used as a serious insult or more playfully, depending on tone of voice. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Please subscribe to this channel to make sure you don't miss a single video. Now, fuck off.